Hey guys, my name's Alan with Night Shift Commercial Cleaning Services here in Iowa. We've been in business now for 13 years, and I've really enjoyed being able to serve our customers, try to serve them well. We've got a great team, and overall I've just enjoyed the challenge of running a business and trying to grow the business and make it be as successful as it can be. Technology back when we started didn't really exist, at least as it relates to apps. Back 13 years ago, we had a telephone-based clock-in system that worked well at the time. But of course, as the years went on and we grew, I really needed to find a resource or some technology that could just help us with our operations, become more efficient, become better as a team. And really make my life easier as an owner. I looked at several different options and landed on Swept and have never looked back. It's been a great choice. Swept really finds that unique balance of having a tool that is really data driven for management, gives us all the information that we need, but yet for the cleaners, it's a very streamlined and simple app to use, and I found that is really important. Like I said, the app is very simple to use. Our supervisors need to know at any given time who is working, who is late for a work shift, how are we looking at comparing budgeted work shifts to actual work shifts. As a company, we use the time cards for payroll purposes. We store all of our key numbers and alarm codes within the app. So it's all very, very important, and we get great benefit from using it. Another important thing is the messaging in the app. We use messaging a ton. In fact, I found it's been very cool to be able to have all of the communications in one spot. It allows cleaners to very, very easily reach out to our supervisors. And at buildings with multiple cleaners, it's been really fun to watch messaging, in a way, kind of unite the team and just have one platform for all of that communication. I've enjoyed working with Swept, and it's been fun to see them grow over the years. I think they really look to continually improve, and what can we do next? What additional benefits might there be for the cleaning owner out there? And as I look back, last year, mid-last year, I sold a portion of our business that served about 60 customers. And I think that having Swept in place at that time really showed the new buyers that we have great systems in place. So no matter what size of company, cleaning company that you currently run, I highly recommend that you take a look at Swept. I think you'll be very happy with what you find. And it will make your life easier. Thanks a lot.